This means that you deserve more for working holidays. If you have a job and you're required to work on a holiday, you get time and a half. So, as a pet business owner, if you're not charging more for holidays, you're leaving money on the table. Now, this isn't about charging just because it's a holiday. It's charging because it's taking time away from your peace of mind, your friends and family, your holiday cheer, or holiday parties at least. A bonus to this feature is if you charge more for the holidays, you'll find that you actually might get a little less inquiries to book with you, which helps to slow you down so that you don't overbook yourself and burn out before it's even Christmas. So it's a great way to make sure that you don't spread yourself too thin, but still earn the amount of money you need to earn before the month is over. Now, when it comes to how much extra you should charge for the holidays, this is completely up to you. As I've mentioned in previous podcasts, I have a special calculator that I created where you can actually plug and play all of the scenarios and options that you're looking at to help you determine your pricing based on your occupancy or booking levels that you prefer. That really comes in handy for the holiday season. Say you want to cut back a little, but you don't want to necessarily sacrifice the income at the same time. So you can figure out what your price needs to be at in order to book yourself a maximum number of days or nights or your occupancy level, depending on if you're doing in-home sitting or in client's home sitting. Then you also want to take into consideration that you would want to charge holiday pricing for which days around the holiday. Of course, you're going to charge it on the holiday, but for example, I charge 3 nights before and 3 nights after. So it ends up being basically 7 days or 7 nights that I'm charging around a holiday. Now, you might want to do more than that, and there's no right or wrong answer for this. It's just what fits you and your business the best. I know for me, I determined the 3 days prior and the 3 days after a holiday were always my busiest. And that's why I chose to make those days the additional holiday costs. But if you find that you're super busy for 5 days before and after each holiday on average, then extend it to 5 days. Again, there is no right or wrong way of doing this. It's just all in how you present it to your customers so that they see the value in it as well.